Descriptive verbs, which you guys already know that is an adjective, right? So first one, to be cheap. So that form is 싸다. And the basic form, it's 싸. Okay, so if you want to say, oh, it's cheap in casual form, then you just say, oh, 싸, oh, 싸. If it's in polite form, you just add yo after on a basic, right? And then you just say, oh, 싸요, it's cheap. That's it. To be expensive. 비싸다. Basic. 비싸. Casual form, if you want to say it's expensive. 비싸. Polite form, it's expensive. Oh, 비싸요. Okay. Really easy. You just have to memorize both, right? You need to know the da form, dictionary form. You need to know the basic form. Next one, let's do to be salty. 짜다. Basic. 짜. It's salty. Casual form. 짜. Polite form. 짜요. Is it salty? Question. 짜요? Notice the intonation goes up. Like this. Like 짜요? Is it salty? 네, 짜요. Yes, it's salty. Let's do to be sweet. 달다. And then the basic form. 달아. Sweet. Casual. Oh, 달아. Oh, it's sweet. Is it sweet? 달아? Yes, it's sweet. 네, 달아요. Okay. To be bitter. 쓰다. Basic. 써. Casual. 써. Polite. 써요. Next one. To be big. 크다. Basic. 커. 커요. To be small. 작다. Basic. 작아. To be good. To be nice. 좋다. Cute and 디귿. This and this. What I mean by 좋 and then 다 sounds like 좋다, like a 디귿 sound. 좋다. And the basic 좋아. 좋아. The basic here is silent, so it sounds like 좋아. 좋아. To be bad, 나쁘다. 나쁘다. To be bad, Basic 나빠. Okay, to be interesting, to be fun. 재미있다. Basic. 재미있어. To be tasty, delicious. 맛있다. Basic, 맛있어. This is actually a really good example to go over sound shifting. So let's just talk about that also. So sound shifting, sound blending. Notice how I pronounce it. 맛, it, 다 to 맛있다. 맛, it, 맛있어. That is because sound shifting is occurring like here, this one here, and here. The reason is because of 이응. 이응 here, 이응 here. So 이응, we already know that's silent. So this 시옷 actually blends to the next syllable. That's why it sounds like 맛있다, 맛있어. So subject particle, we learned it a couple times already that it's 이 and 가. This time, we're going to write simple sentence. Pizza is salty. So pizza, okay, so we got that. Salty, so we learned that salty is 짜다, and the basic is 짜. And let's speak this in polite form. So, pizza is the subject of the sentence. We're gonna use either 이 or 가. Pizza ends in a vowel, so we use 가. Pizza가 and salty. 짜요, polite form. Now we can add a couple more things here. We can say this pizza or that pizza too, right? Instead of 이것, 저것. Because that one, this one, we already know that one or thing is a pizza. So we don't have to say 것. Now we can say pizza. So this pizza is salty. This. And then space, pizza. 이것, 그것, 저것 without a space, but when we say this pizza or that pizza, yes, you do need a space between this and then pizza. 이 피자가 짜요. That pizza, same thing. 그 피자가 짜요. casual, 이 피자가 짜. 그 피자가 짜. Okay. This food is delicious. 이 음식, this food, and then we're gonna say it's tasty, delicious. So 음식 is the subject, and we're gonna mark with the subject particle. 이 음식이. And then basic of 맛있다, 맛있어, casual form. 맛있어요, polite form. And then let's do coffee. Coffee is bitter. Coffee is a subject. 커피가 bitter. 쓰다, basic is 써. 커피 갔어. casual. 커피 갔어요. polite form. Is the kimbap tasty? 김밥이 맛있어요? Yes, it's tasty. 네, 맛있어요. Or you can say, I don't know. 아니요. Or 아니, casual, right? So 김밥이 맛있어요? 네, 맛있어요. 아니요. By looking at this, who can do casual form?
Would it be 김밥이 맛있어? For casual?
And then the answer?
네, 맛있어?
And then the no.
아니.
Right. And then instead of a 네, because 네 is a polite, right? Formal. Yes. So what would be yes? Yep. Who knows? Right. Right. Or right. Very good. Well done. Okay, that's it for today. See you guys next week. 안녕.